Welcome to 12313 Lord's Place in Crooked River Ranch. This 1.32 acre parcel has a 1,782 square foot, 3-bed, 2-bath home that's in great shape with a great room layout, primary separation, lots of fenced areas. It's gated too. Very private cul-de-sac here, close to lots of public land. If you look at the maps that are provided, you can see that there's the big meadow that's owned by the association for hiking, walking, and there's a playground there. And then there's a ton of BLM and Forest Service land all around, very close, accessible, and great for recreating. You can get to the Deschutes River, the Crooked River, all very quickly. Just an awesome parcel, and I'll show you around each of the parts, the home and the buildings. Now inside the front door and moving through the living room with laminate flooring that's in excellent condition. There's newer carpet in the bedrooms, French doors out onto the covered back deck. The home has a central heat pump system that's electric that will do your heating and cooling. It's an AC system. And on the coldest days, the emergency heat comes on with electric heat strips, but to help with cost, you do have that pellet stove, and that's really great when you get into the coldest weather to be able to have the pellet stove to keep the warmth and not have to use the emergency heat system. The heat pump is very effective, efficient, and can be used affordably as long as you don't get into that emergency heat mode, and that really helps having the pellet stove for that purpose. Nice view out onto the garden area out back. Circular drive, good access. Counters are in beautiful shape. It's a butcher block counter here with a breakfast bar. All the appliances in here work perfectly. There's a bit of a pantry there. Good traffic flow throughout the house. Light and bright. Moving into the primary. You can see those carpets all in good shape. Blinds throughout. Really big walk-in closet there. Nice lighting. You can see it does have barn doors on tracks there to cover that up. The remodeled bathroom. Big soaker tub shower combination. And there's a little linens closet here in the corner. This is the dining area. Moving back to the guest bedrooms and guest bathroom. Really big guest bedroom here, almost the size of the primary, with a full walk-in ceiling fan. Hall closet there, guest bath, and this guest bedroom, also very large, has its own slider onto the back deck, so you can get out to where there's a hot tub spot. The hot tub that's here is not functioning, but wiring's in place for you to put a new one that works well. Guest bathroom, tub shower combination, linens closet, And space here for a little hutch or whatever you think might be suitable. Very nice setup. Very spacious. Just a great layout. Lots of room, good lighting, big deck out back. Totally dialed and ready to go. And the utility room, washer and dryer fit here comfortably. Lots of storage. The electrical panel and door out to the covered back deck. Now towards the back of the lot, you can see how this circular drive works. Really a critical component to any acreage property is ease of ingress. Access with a circular drive can't be beaten. Pull in, around, park your vehicles, trailers, RVs, it's all easy when you have this kind of layout. Lots of room for parking on the side there. And then this awesome covered deck out back. From one side to the next, uncovered conveniently for the hot tub. It is a composite deck, has some skylights, has a greenhouse off the end, which is awesome. It's facing south, so it gets plenty of sun all year long. Some built-ins here, outlets. That leads into one of the guest bedrooms, that slider. And you have your hot tub and the door into the utility room. It's a very cool little garden area, fenced in, away from the deer, raised bed areas. And I'll show you around inside. There's a great storage shed here. Has a window, door windows combination, I should say, up front for lighting. And right now it's not insulated or finished. Could be though. Good storage as it is would make a really great bonus area, office, workout room. Lots of possibilities. These are expensive buildings, and this one's in perfect condition. Now in the backyard area, you can see the ramped access to this, which is kind of like a dog run. And then this area is more like the chicken run. It could be changed, but they have it set up right now with chicken coops and everything so that this area is where they do their foraging and hanging out. See the chicken coop there. That door leads through the little storage area off the side. Compost area. And then those raised beds, pretty cool little spot, all fenced in, what you need with the deer around here. But yeah, very nice little oasis back here. Lots of storage. This is for your garden stuff. And then everything over here for the chickens. There's a gate out the front too, so you can pull a vehicle in to this space very easily.